I'm Dr. Mark Lorenzato. There's a longer video about poison oak rash. This is just essential for now as you've come. Most important, wash things off with warm soapy water. You cannot spread this, but if you can wash out the molecule that causes this, it will be a good thing. Wash the clothes that might have it on, the oil of this. Wash the surfaces you might have interacted with. Non-sedative antihistamines like loratadine, cetirizine, fexofenadine are all beneficial. They're over the counter. Just get an antihistamine, take during the day. At nighttime, you can take an additional first-generation antihistamine like diphenhydramine, which is Benadryl. You should avoid histamine-rich foods. Just go to the internet, get a list of histamine-rich foods, and avoid these. A good hot warm shower feels good, but it may make this more inflamed. So in general, I recommend cold is good. Ice in a bag with water in it on the rash can be very beneficial. Steroid cream and or steroid oral prednisone will be the treatment for moderate and severe poison oak. We'll go over that. The rash, as you know, is very itchy, burning, blistering. Try not to scratch. If you do, you will cause a secondary staph infection, which can usually be treated just with soapy water. Sometimes you'll need topical antibiotics over the counter or occasionally prescription antibiotics. You should know that if the plant is damaged, as in recently cut, you're more likely to get more of the molecule that stimulates this rash. You should wash off the poison oak as soon as you can with soapy water. As I said, wash other surfaces, blankets, etc. Avoid, if you've had prior exposures, you're going to probably have a more severe rash. Antihistamine will help, and avoiding histamine-rich foods will help. Avoid the secondary bacterial infections. The prescriptions will include a cream, one of 3 steroid creams, beclomethasone dipropionate, triamcinolone acetonide, or clobetasol propionate. They're different classes. If you're allergic to one, you'll probably tolerate the other. In the event you cannot tolerate steroids, let me know. For systemic corticosteroids, we use prednisone. Prednisone starts for about a week at 1 dose and then tapers down over the next 2 weeks. I'll write the dose based on your weight. You should know that steroids can cause fluid accumulation. They can cause insomnia. They can cause a disturbance of mood, including a mania if you tend to that. They can cause a disruption in your blood sugar control, throwing you into a diabetes situation. These are transient problems that reverse. I would recommend avoiding starch and sugar-rich foods while you're taking them. Very good. This is the short one. You can watch the longer video for more information.